This is the homepage of our prototype. It shows our mission, our features, and our partners. Those who are interested in us can press this button to send us a message. And then we will receive the email. Vendors who have already joined us can log in and manage information here. After logging in, you will be redirected to vendor portal page. All kinds of notifications, such as shipping status and food recall warnings, will be displayed at the top of the page. The flagged products show the food problems like rotting, broken package, and recall. The product list shows all the products provided by the vendor. On the right side of it is the product details. There are two buttons here. The first one is to add new products. Let's try to add a new product. After submitting the form, you can click here to go back to the vendor portal. The new added product will show on the top of the list, and its details will be on the right. Besides, you can click on the item name or ID to review its detailed information. The other button is to view other vendors who share the same chain with you. After completing the management, you can log out to keep your data safe. That's all for our front-end prototyping.
I just want to make a quick description of what we have done in the backend. So this is the AWS Management Console. You can see all the service that you use. And first, we started with EC2 Cloud Computing Engine. So, and you can see there's one instance running. We created this instance while we create this Cloud9 IDE. So the Cloud9 IDE basically allowed you to run all of your commands here in the browser. Then we spent a lot of time setting up the Amazon Management Blockchain Service. This is where you set up the framework. We create a private network for our supply chain management project. And you can see we have one network running. And right now we have two members, retailers and supplier. Each member will have like a multiple peer nodes, and the peer node is to store their transactions. More peer nodes basically means more fail-safe measure for them to store data in a different availability zone. So this is the second AWS account. It received invitations from the previous another member, and this account is, I think this is the supplier account. Yes. So it is received invitation from these retailers, and the future members will receive invitation by either of this. For this account, it will have the same service running for the supplier as well. We also use this AWS AppSync service to manage access and query data. These provide like API portals. For example, we can see in the schema here, you can see our previously created Lambda functions. This is the create product. So this is our main function for our product. And we also use this CloudWatch service to monitor like all the service, AWS service that we're running, and we can see our billing here too. And in the end, we can see this. This is a Amazon Hyperfabric Ledger database that we use for to store all the transactions for each members. And the ledger here we have is supply chain, and right now it stores like 2 active data, one for supplier and one for retailer. And in the future, I think we'll have a multiple ledgers stored here as well. So thank you very much for watching our demo. To sum up our experience, I guess the major drawback that we encounter is that with multiple AWS service running, halfway through our project, we realized we received a huge bill from AWS, and we reached out to AWS customer service. They responded saying our project is using multiple blockchain service in the time frame of 40 to 60 days of usage. The final bill would probably reach up to $600 to $1,000. And that's why we didn't fully integrate the backend with the front-end design, because of the cost issue. And we have tried our best to deliver a product with time constraint and with budget constraint, and we appreciate your time. Thank you again for your watching.